Right, you can see a nice frame here, a triangular shape solid wood canvas, and this is the gradation of the color, transition of green to the white, and in the bottom you can see the lots of grasses. Now we are going to draw few taller trees like the pointy trees and some clouds and the natural scenery. So let's begin from the left side here, just drawing a straight line. This one little bit taller, you can see. Okay, then other one little bit smaller, and the next one more smaller. Okay, so let's see few trees, you can see, just in a sequence. Okay, now we are going to take some colors and drawing the pointy tree from the top coming to the bottom like this one. You can see the graphics, really nice. Okay, all right. Doing the left side with the same way. So lots of, you can see the details, lots of thickness of the leaves, just putting from the top, going on the left side. Okay, and as it's just going in a farther distance, you can see the things getting smaller. Okay, getting smaller. Okay, so lots of trees just going to the horizon. Okay, now we're going to take the white color just to show the clouds. So for putting the clouds, you're just holding the brush and just putting the white color from the top, making some you can see the round shapes at the bottom and the top layer a little bit flat. Okay, awesome. You can see the variations of the colors of the white. All right, taking little more white color and putting it here. Okay, so the clouds variations very nice and natural. Awesome. And if you want to add like some birds flying in the sky, then draw something like the V shape, just like this. Okay, awesome. See the birds flying. So these are the shapes, just very simple, nice and easy. You can also put some birds flying in the skyline to the clouds. Okay, so lots of birds just flying in the sky. So mainly this drawing just focus on the same blue color. Okay, so In a farther distance you can just put some green color like this one, just to show the landscapes. Okay, so very nice landscapes. Mixing it with the white color, just making it more interesting. Awesome. Just adding something more within the white color. Okay, and here putting little bit details here on the trees. In a far distance, just putting a straight line, just to draw the mountains. You can see, and it just little bit ups and downs, you can see in the within the frame. So mountains just going high. Awesome. In some parts you have to put the darker colors, and in some parts you can put some lighter colors. Okay, so putting a straight line, and you can see the mountain lines here. So because of the drawing and in the landscape, so some mountains you can see just very clear, some mountains you can see in a lighter appearance. That's why if we want to make the variations of the mountain lines, just we need to put some uh, white color, just to change the appearance, the lightness and the brightness. Okay, so putting the white color in some parts of the mountains, just to show the level variations. Okay, so one side of the mountain you can see the bright white color, and another side you can see the darker green color. So usually I'm putting the darker green color on the left side of the mountain, and you can see the white color on the right side. Awesome. Adding little bit more green here for the last one. Okay, so very interesting landscape, very nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Stay with us. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. And if you like to watch more, you can go through or browse through the playlist. We have lots of drawings, thousands of drawings in different categories, so you can have so many flavors there. See you there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.